Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes in Jamaica. First, you'll need to ensure you have a taxpayer registration number, or TRN. This is essential for all individuals. Businesses must also register with the company's Office of Jamaica. The Tax Administration Jamaica, or TAJ, offers convenient online registration for both individuals and businesses, making the initial step straightforward and accessible from anywhere. Next, let's understand the main types of taxes in Jamaica. Income tax is levied on your earnings, whether from employment or self-employment. Then there's general consumption tax, or GCT, which is a value-added tax applied to most goods and services you purchase. Finally, property tax is an annual assessment on real estate, calculated based on its unimproved value. Knowing these helps you prepare. Now let's talk about filing your returns. The Tax Administration Jamaica strongly encourages electronic filing through their online portal, which simplifies the process. For income tax, the deadline is generally March 15th annually. If you're dealing with general consumption tax, or GCT, these returns are filed monthly, with payments due by the last day of the following month. Be sure to keep accurate records. Finally, let's cover payment and compliance. You have several convenient options for making tax payments, including online through the TAJ portal, directly at tax offices, or via authorized commercial banks. It's crucial to remember that late filing or payment will result in penalties and interest charges. Always maintain thorough financial records for a minimum of 6 years to ensure full compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.